The following events occurred on August 8, 2023 in Orlando, Florida, and have previously never been released to the public. The incident started when officers were called to the scene of a suspected hand drug transaction in the parking lot near the police station.
Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. Place your hands behind your back real quick. Just be in the tank. You got any weapons or anything on you?
Partner, come here. Come here. Park.
Got nothing.
Yeah, just relax. Put your hands behind your back. Relax, put your hands behind your back.
We just saw you do a hand-to-hand, bro.
Right now you're doing chain.
For what?
Hey, don't pull away. Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Hey.
I got him. Put pursuit!
Don't move! Don't move!
Attack A9. Going to the station.
Don't move. You understand me?
I'm not going anywhere.
Get out of the car now.
I'm coming.
No, you're not.
Wait, stop reaching.
Stop reaching.
I'm coming.
Get out of the car.
Bro, I'm coming.
Get out of the car.
Bro, I'm coming, bro. Okay.
Ow! Ow!
Officer Andy's body cam footage, frame by frame, shows the suspect pull out a firearm from his vehicle. He then begins firing at both officers, hitting both of them multiple times, causing Officer Andy to fall down on the ground. He then gets up and begins running to get cover from the suspect, who is still continuously firing shots at both him and the other officer. Officer Kale's body cam footage, frame by frame, shows her yelling in pain as soon as the first shot hits her. She runs for cover as she suffers a major arterial bleed and her gun hand has been completely disabled.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Help me! Help! I'm shot!
Get back to the car. Where you hit, bro? Where you hit?
Give me light! Get this off. Let them know we need
OFD at Washington. We need OFD.
We need IPAC.
Where's the key at?
We need OFD and Washington the train track. We need OFD.
Are you good? Get on the ground. Stop, relax. I need OFD, Washington and Garland. Officer down. Where are they?
Watch your back. I said, coach, we need OFD at Washington train track.
We need a track seal. Get a track seal. Give me, I'm going. Andy, come on, bro. Stay with me. Hey, where are you hit?
On the arm.
I'm hitting him on my arms.
Okay. Where's that tourniquet?
I got it.
I have one on my.
I got it.
You have a tourniquet? Where are you hit? Where you hit again?
I've hit my arm.
Which one?
Left arm bumper.
Here, get all the way up. Breathe, Kaylee, breathe.
I have one on my stomach too.
Kaylee, breathe.
I have one on my stomach too.
Just get that stuff.
Relax. Kaylee, breathe.
Kaylee, breathe, okay?
In your arm? Which arm? Which arm?
I'm right here, Andy. Where you at? Give me the wound.
Right here. Ready, go. Right there.
Okay. It's on?
Yeah, there's another one right here.
Hey, look.
Hold on, no, we need to. He's over here. No, he's not right here too.
You're all right. Breathe from your Kaylee.
You're good.
Kaylee, breathe, all right?
You're good.
higher up than that.
I'm shot in the chest.
Hey, we got you.
I'm shot in the chest. Right side.
We got you. Relax, okay?
Kaylee, breathe. All right, breathe.
Breathe.
Another channel for the officer down. Channel for the pursuit.
Where are you shot, Kaylee?
No, we have an officer shot. No time. 43.
Hey, I need another test. Guys, give me gloves. Guys. Give me a security here. Give me security. Watch our back. We need an ambulance here immediately. Look, we need an ambulance here immediately.
Where are you shot, Kaylee? Where? Right here in the stomach.
I'm shot on the right side of my chest.
We know the OFD.
Right side of my chest.
I'm not getting this in, bro.
Shove it in.
I can't even get this in right now. I can't get this in. Get him up. Someone hold his neck. Push down on his neck. Here, someone grab his arm. Grab his arm. Get in the car with him. Get in the car with him.
Clear it out. Back up. Watch out. Hey, we need a chest seal.
You have a chest seal in your car?
Candy, right here. Hey, chest seal on. Listen to me. All right, okay.
Kaylee, breathe.
I'm breathing.
Put it on. Kaylee, breathe.
I'm breathing.
All right, Kaylee, breathe. You breathing? Can you talk to me, Kaylee? Calm down back here. Can you talk to me, Kaylee?
Hey, everybody calm down, stop talking. Kaylee, can you hear me? Okay, tell me what you're feeling. Do you feel it just in your chest? Let's go. Where in your belly?
Let's go.
Okay, where in your chest?
We're going.
Get up.
She has 3 gunshots on her stomach, a couple on her arms. We're transporting her to...
So they called a football field, and then I heard the shots right here. So I called it out.
Anybody have an update on the pursuit?
Lots of visual on the vehicle pursuit. They put on emergency downtown. They're trying to gain eyes again. Faces open. Whoever is currently on scene with the vest, can you guys get with Sergeant Greg with Mission 1 over there and provide the BWC? Just one vest?
I don't want to touch it, so. Anybody got gloves? Can we get the other one? The body camera?
While both officers were critically injured and transported to the nearest hospital, the shooter was able to carjack a passerby's vehicle and flee the scene. A massive manhunt for the SWAT suspect then began overnight. Over the course of the next 10 hours, police were able to track the suspect down to a Holiday Inn hotel roughly 10 miles away. A SWAT team was then deployed to apprehend him. After they clear the building, they ready explosive devices to blow the suspect's door open.
5, 4, 3. You ready with that, man?
Yep.
Robot up.
Can you tell from here enough?
Start giving some commands.
Orlando police!
I got your left side.
Peeking. Orlando police, put your hands out of the door now. Both hands.
Gas up. Start gassing up.
Both hands out of the door. Dayton, put both hands out of the door now.
More officers are positioned closer to the suspect's room in a doorway. These officers' position would prove to be extremely important for what's about to happen.
Civilian in the hallway. Run!
He's shooting. What? He's putting his gun out the door. He's picking up the piece of door.
He threw the door out. Come out with your hands up, Orlando Police Department. Come out, we just need to talk to you. Come out with your hands up. No more shooting. Just come out to the sound of my voice. You don't need to shoot anymore.
Threw the door out in the hallway.
If you come out with your hands up, I can assure your safety. Yours, Dayton!
I can't see shit. He's got a gun. He's cussing. Get on me. He's riding. He's riding. One down. All right, we got one down. Put your arms out! We're good. Suspect's down.
The suspect, a convicted felon with an extensive and violent history of serious criminal offenses including battery, robbery, grand theft auto, aggravated stalking, domestic battery, assault, burglary, and arson. Some of his worst crimes involved striking a woman with an iron, punching a woman in front of her children, and sexually assaulting a 14-year-old girl who was walking to school. For all of these crimes, he was either released back into the public on probation, or was released on bond while awaiting trial. Approximately 2 months before the incident where he shot 2 officers, it was confirmed that he had cut off his electronic monitoring bracelet and disappeared from probation supervision. Then 1 month before the incident where he shot the 2 officers, a red vehicle that police believe may have belonged to V was caught on camera driving away from a Miami homicide scene. That same red vehicle was the one V was sitting inside when he opened fire on the 2 officers. In addition, just weeks before the shooting, V was pulled over during a traffic stop while he was driving that same exact red vehicle.
Tag is coming back as stolen. Step over there for me, okay? Do you know anything about that? No, sir. 10-4. Turn around. Because you got a warrant for your rights. Don't run! Don't run, you're gonna get tased! Get on the ground! You're gonna get tased! Got one running southbound, Ingenuity and Discovery. Black male, black shorts, black shirt.
Don't move. Hey, stop. Stop. Stop.
All right, we'll meet you at Townsend.